it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven, and thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be showing you another card sample that I had made for the Creative Craft Products Super Stickers collection, and today we're going to be using the rose gold foiling. I also had another tutorial showing you one of my other card samples as well the other day, so if you want to go check that out, you can go and find it on my YouTube channel. But I absolutely love how this one turned out, and if you want to know how we made it, then let's get started. So I've cut all my card ready, and I'm going to tell you the measurements of each one. So we're going to start off with our card base. So you're going to need one piece that measures 4.5 by 9 inch, and that will be the size of your card base. You'll need your second piece that measures 5 inches by 9, and along the 5-inch side you will score at 1/2 inch, and we will fold that over and add our adhesive, which I've already done, and then we will join these two pieces together to make our card. Okay, then we will need, because our stickers are rose gold, I've decided to use rose gold mirror card. So the next layer that's going to go on top measures 4 3/8 by 8 7/8, and I've added my adhesive on there, so I'm going to stick that one down. Then our next piece is some white card, and this measures 4 1/4 by 8 3/4, and then that will go on top of this one here. And then I've cut this out with some teal cardstock, and I've used the Creative Craft Supersize Nestables DL Rick Rack die set. So I've used the largest one out of that, and then I've just embossed it with Simply Made Crafts quilted A5 embossing folder on top of there. Then I've got another piece of rose gold, and this measures 7 by 2 3/4. That will go in the center there. And then I have another piece of white that measures 6 7/8 by 2 5/8, and that's going to go on there. But first, before I attach this piece, I have used the Creative Craft Small Numbers Galore 18th Today die set and stamp set. Used the cake image from the stamp, and I've stamped that 3 times in the Memento Tuxedo black ink, and I've let that dry for a little bit, and then I'm going to use the Creative Craft marker pens. So I'm going to do some blending with these. I haven't done any blending with these before. I've just basically used these for some simple colouring, so I wanted to give the blending a go. So the numbers I'm using is 25, which is their salmon pink, 31 dark yellow, 33 melon yellow, 89 pale purple, 179 aqua mint, 17 pastel pink, and 61 peacock green. I'm going to colour in my images. Okay, so I've coloured them in now, and I'm just going to attach that on top of there. We're going to add our sentiment, and for this we're using the rose gold foiling stickers, and we're going to add the Make a Wish in the middle here. So I stuck this to some white card, and that measures 2 by 1/2 inch. Then I've got some teal. This measures 2 1/8 by 5/8. And then the rose gold is 2 1/4 by 3/4. And then we have Enjoy Your Day sticker, and this is on a 3 5/8 by 1/2 inch. And then just to finish this off, I'm using my Dovecraft 3D Pearl Effects, and this is the green, and I'm just going to add some dots randomly. So there we go, guys, that is my other sample card using the Creative Craft Super Stickers collection. That you enjoyed this tutorial. If so, please give me a big thumbs up. Please continue to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button, and all products used in this video, if they're in stock, they will be listed down below, so go and check them out. So take care, guys, and I see you all very soon. Bye for now.